In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keypad. Now either click on this icon at the top left corner to uncover your toolbar and click on this microphone in the middle, or hold this one at the bottom left corner. When you're ready, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use this button. To delete text on the go, click on this button on the right. And to access voice typing options, click on this gear on the left. If you wish to go back to your standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!